Hi, all the students. Welcome once again to I Can Say Scat YouTube channel. Standing with me is Meet Nanecha and Meet का 2 दिन पहले NIRMA यूनिवर्सिटी में इंटरव्यू हुआ है. It was an online interview, and you people might be knowing that along with personal interview, it is a theme development project. That means it's a kind of extempore basically. Okay, along with the interview itself, that takes place. So we are going to have a discussion with Meet to understand what kind of interview it was and what kind of questions were there. Okay, so Meet, कैसा रहा पूरा interview निर्मा का?
Sir, it was very short and went very well.
Okay. It was a short interview. मतलब कितने मिनट्स का इंटरव्यू था
Sir,
लगभग?
around 8 to 9 minutes.
8 to 9 मिनट्स में एक्सटेम्परी भी कंप्लीट हो
Yes,
गया
sir.
और
And
इंटरव्यू भी
personal
कंप्लीट हो
interview.
गया.
Yes, sir.
ओके, व्हाई इज इट सो? पैनल क्या बहुत जल्दबाजी में थे?
I think they were satisfied or were in a hurry. I
हाँ,
don't know that.
पॉसिबली हमें तो पॉजिटिव ही सोचना है. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि कुछ मिनट्स में उनको पता चल गया हो कि द स्टूडेंट इज गुड एंड वी शुड टेक हिम, सो देयर इज नो पॉइंट वेस्टिंग मोर टाइम ऑन दैट स्टूडेंट. बट एनीवे, व्हाटएवर द रीजन माइट बी, ऐसा नहीं होता कि हर इंटरव्यू बहुत लंबा चले. इवन 5-7 मिनट्स के इंटरव्यूज भी पॉसिबली हो जाते हैं कई बार. सो कैसा पूरा प्रोसेस चला एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वर देयर?
Sir, at first, they gave me a topic for the TDP. It was like greenhouse gases. And they asked me whether you are comfortable or we should change it. I said, no, sir, I will go with that.
The topic was greenhouse
Greenhouse
gases.
gases.
Just the greenhouse
Yes, sir.
gases. Okay. And how many?
And they gave me 1 minute to think about it.
Okay.
Then I started.
Okay. So 1 minute you have to think over
Yes.
it, and they were generous enough to change the topic also.
Yeah, they asked me
Okay.
voluntary.
Okay.
Like, if you want.
And how much time you were supposed to speak on that?
Around 2 minutes.
Around 2 minutes. So you were able to speak properly?
Yes, I was giving answer, and between the flow, they asked me to.
Okay.
I was continuously.
Okay. And whatever you have spoken, were there some questions based on that as well? Okay, perfect. So the very first thing was TDP.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And after that, the interview started.
Yes, sir. After that, they asked me to introduce myself.
Okay.
There were no counter questions on introduction also.
Okay. How many panelists were there?
Male panel.
Okay.
And after that, they were saying that how will your graduation will help you in management.
Okay.
Like, so I explained that I have done arts, and for that I have done science with.
Yeah, so all the students, just let me tell you the educational background of Meet. 11th and 12th, he had science, and after that, he completed his bachelor's in arts, BA. And after that, and when he decided to go for BA, possibly the goal was to pursue UPSC exams. And now he's actually aspiring to get into the MBA colleges. So, did they ask questions about why have you taken BA?
No, sir.
Okay, why you have taken science after 10th? Any
Sir,
question?
they just said, no, sir, they didn't ask about that. They just said me that although you have maths, you had maths in 12th, so it will be beneficial for you.
Okay. Fine enough. What other questions were there?
And sir, they asked me name 5 parties other than BJP and Congress with their respective leaders.
Okay.
So at that time, I was able to name only 4. One I forgot. The sir also said that.
That's okay. But see, students, try to understand if they ask you to give the names of 5 political parties, and even if you are able to give the names of 3 or 4, that is okay. But don't lose your confidence there. Okay, many times it happens like questions like give names of 5 fintech companies or possibly 5 pharmaceutical companies. And possibly for some students, the questions were like give names of 5 countries of Africa. वहाँ पर ठीक है 3, 4, 5 अपन जितने बता सकें ट्राई टू गिव, बट एम्बेरसमेंट फील करने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है if you are not able to take the names of all 5. Okay, then.
And so they asked me what are your subjects in your humanities.
Okay.
And why didn't you opt for honors?
Okay.
Then I said that I wanted to learn equally all the subjects. That's why I did pass course.
Okay, उन्होंने ये पूछा कि BA ऑनर्स क्यों नहीं
हाँ
किया?
सर, आपने तुम सारे सब्जेक्ट बता दिए, पॉलिटिक्स साइंस.
Okay.
इस पे भी कोई काउंटर बैक क्वेश्चन या
Okay.
फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट.
Okay.
And फिर
What else?
sir, they asked me that and sir, I gave an answer that they said me that you don't have enough knowledge of the business background. There are many people sitting with with whom have done the BBA or so. I said that I assure you, sir, by the time I join the college, I will be having the brief knowledge about all the areas upon. So
Okay.
they said me that till you join the MBA college, you study the business news, learn about math.
Okay. Okay. What else? That's okay.
Yes.
Any questions based on current affairs? Okay. Nothing about your family background.
Nothing.
Okay. Academics में और ज़्यादा कुछ big drill नहीं किया. Okay. Future goals के बारे
So
में कुछ
main
पूछा?
was the factor, reason factor जो था वो सर TDP. If the TDP well then.
So all the students try to understand, if you have got a call from NIRMA University, you will have to focus on TDP properly. TDP is nothing but an extempore where a topic will be given to you. And see, the topics are going to be very general. Okay, like Mead had the topic greenhouse gases. Now, whenever you come across a topic for your extempore, 1 minute of time, anyway, you are getting to think over that. So, while thinking over the topic, you have to clearly decide what message you want to communicate. And for 120 seconds, you are supposed to speak. My suggestion will be you will have to speak in such a manner that within 120 seconds, we are able to give the conclusion as well. Okay, so don't let the panel stop you in between. Okay, you have to actually summarize your speech in such a manner well before 120 seconds, at least 3-4 seconds before that, you are able to put a full stop on your speech. Okay, so please plan accordingly. Any other
And
special
so
thing?
some
Yeah.
of the students were given this opportunity that they may choose a number between 1 to 10. And for example, if a person chose like 7, then a topic on that number, like one of my friend got batteries, my friend got around robot. All
Okay,
these were
okay.
the topics.
So anyway, the topics were very simple, and all the students do understand. In case if you come across a topic on which you don't know anything, in such a scenario, instead of just trying to speak on that, request the panel to give another topic, and that is not applicable only in case of NIRMA. Wherever you have the extempore, you can actually request the panel to have another topic. Okay. So thank you, Meet. Thank you for sharing all your experiences. And all the students who are going to have the interviews now, all the best from the Icon ESCAT family. Okay, keep trying, keep giving your best, keep reading a lot of literature, and keep facing lots of mocks also. So thank you very much and all the best.